Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT. Before I begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you greatly help out the channel. Do note that I do not provide any buy or sell calls, but focus on potential traps laid out by the market makers. Without further ado, let's take a look at Caterpillar. So you can see that Caterpillar had a very recent move that looks quite good. You can see that there was a green candle here that is very long and followed by good volume. However, what we want to see is this resistance being cleared with good volume, which is this 229 resistance. Just yesterday, we apparently managed to break out above it, but we did not have a very good close. We closed just around at the resistance level. So what we want to see is this previous resistance turning into support. So if tomorrow or the next few days, we are able to climb back up above this support with good volume, then we may see more upside. However, if we were to break down, then we may be looking at this both this conversion line, this baseline that is currently around 222 and 223. So this will act as a good support. But if we were able to trend up higher, then where exactly are the potential resistance upcoming? So we may be looking at this psychological resistance at 240 as the first resistance, and the second resistance to clear is this all-time high at 246. You can see that this is a all-time high, and the last resistance or potential target for Caterpillar, we may be looking at all the way to the upside of around probably around 260s at these levels here. You can see at these levels here. So this is the first wave up, this is the second wave up. So we may be looking at this 260, but it's a little bit ambitious for now because we have to clear these two particular resistance. This is the first resistance to clear and second resistance to clear before we can arrive at 260. Looking at the MACD is trying to cut back up. So the blue line needs to cut back above the orange line and sustain above it for good momentum. Currently, the earnings is upcoming, so you can expect some volatile movements in upcoming sessions. So let's take a look at the monthly chart. Overall, the monthly chart it still seems pretty good. You can see that it's a higher highs and higher low pattern. You can see that this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we may be looking at some correction now, or we may potentially trend up higher before we have a correction down below the particular clouds. So overall, the trend is still there, but short term, we can expect some movements and corrections. But hopefully, we are able to break up above these two particular resistance that I'm looking at, which is this 229 and thereafter this 246. Bear in mind that we have to be careful of fake breakouts like just this happened. Fake breakouts are what market makers tend to do is that they break above this particular strong resistance to lure breakout traders to come in. So once the breakout traders has come in, that's where they throw the stock back down to catch these longs. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by and don't forget to subscribe as you keep the uptrend channel intact. Leave a comment below if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.